Guys, for today's video we're going to be making some taco salads, and here are some of the basic ingredients. I have here some of our taco salad shells. You can get them from anywhere, your local market. I also have some shaved beef here as well. You can use whatever meat you decide to use, whatever one of choice. I also have here a little bit of oil. We're going to put that in the pan with the meat. And I have some Worcestershire sauce. And then over here, these are our ingredients that I'm going to be using for our guac. So we got that. We got some seasoning mix we may or may not use. Hi. And then cilantro, some fresh cilantro. Hi.
I'm glad you're here.
So glad you're here. And we have an onion, fresh. I like to use the red onions. A fresh tomato off the vine, and some avocados for our guacamole. I'm also going to be using some fresh thyme. How are you today? Guacamole. And then here are some of the Oh My Spice seasonings that you'll see me use. As far as some everything seasoning, some sriracha lime, and nacho cheese. And also, you guys, for the meat, I may or may not use some of this taco seasoning mix just to give it that extra flavor. So stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, you want to add in your oil. Just a little bit. You can use your oil of choice. I like to use avocado, or you can use like canola oil. Works actually perfectly. Stay tuned. Your meat to this. Start cooking the meat. Add a little pepper to it. Salt, pepper, and then start adding in your other seasonings to this. Okay guys, and about midway, you want to go ahead and add in that Worcestershire sauce to make sure that it's getting in that flavor there. Worcestershire sauce to this, and now we're going to continue to stir and add in all of your seasonings to it and set it aside. Stay tuned. go ahead and also add in the tomatoes with the onions and then the lime. So stay tuned, tomatoes with that onion to this. Squeeze your fresh lime all over this. I'm gonna probably squeeze about 2 limes. It just depends on flavor and what you guys may like. Our lime in there, and then again, if you want to add just a little bit of that seasoning mix for guacamole, you can. Just gives it a kick of flavor. Looks like so. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna add the whole packet, you guys. Just a little. Alrighty, you guys, next you're going to go ahead and start mixing that all in. Now for the guacamole, you want to try to mush it in. So if you have a tool that can mush it in, you can do that as well, or you can mush it down with your spoon, whatever is easier for you. But you just want to make it into that guacamole mold. Taco salad, I didn't make the guac too mushy. Usually if you want it to be like the mushy kind, you can start off by mashing the avocados first and then adding the rest of your ingredients. Or you can do it like I did, just add in a few and just slightly mush in those avocados. Stay tuned, guys. So for the taco shells, once you take it out the pack, it'll look like so. You will have your tortillas that come in a packet like this, front and back, and then you'll have your holders for the taco shells, so the formers. So we'll put those inside of the formers, and then we'll put it in the oven for about 10 minutes or maybe less, depending on your oven. Stay tuned. Up, you want to put them face down like so on your pan, and then we're going to go ahead and start putting those tortillas on top. Each one we want to do like this. Guys, when you're done, it should look something like so. Produced it. Alright guys, so first you want to go ahead and add your shredded lettuce to this. And then my son's in the background. Right, and then next, you ready? Okay, my son's ready. So then we have our guac we're gonna add to this, however much you want. It's chilled, it's been in that fridge. Next I'm gonna start adding in the meat. Okay, it's coming too. However much of that steak meat you want to add. And then we're going to top this off with a little bit of cheese and some sour cream.